everyone, alongside Ray Ferraro. My name is Shane Sabalski. Welcome to Raleigh, North Carolina. The Hurricanes have found themselves with a couple of Stanley Cup appearances in their brief history in the NHL. Who's the one player that comes to mind for you here, Ray?
For me, it would be Rod Brind'Amour, the former captain of the 06 Stanley Cup champions, and went on to coach the Hurricanes as well. He's become an icon in this area.
The officials there at center, and I think we are about to get this one underway. And this one is officially underway with the puck drop. Can't complete the pass as it goes off a stick. Along the half wall with the puck. And he can't find his man. Quick feed to Teravainen. Sends the pass over. Oh, a violent collision in the open ice. Toronto's got it across the line. Denies him with the save. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Lots of time left in this period. The game is still scoreless. Matthews wins it in the offensive zone. Moves it to Marner. Centering pass. Takes a shot. Wide of the net. Slavin's taking it from his own end. Takes the pass. Sends a pass over. Back to the point it goes. Grabbed along the boards by Svechnikov. And that's knocked away by Nylander. Through the middle of the ice, they enter the attacking zone. Oh, what a stop by Anderson. The Hurricanes have it now. Aho swooping in on the attack. Thunderous hit.
Well, that's inevitable. He had his head down, got hit so hard he dropped his stick. Now he's got to go pick it up before he can join the play again.
That's why coaches say keep your head up, right?
Well, that's one of the reasons.
And surfs up a little knock on the play. Quick pass to Tavares. And now he moves it to Bunting. Here we go. Odd man rush here. The Hurricanes gain possession in their own end. Nice pass. Through the neutral zone now, picking up steam. Tremendous hit against the wall.
Yeah, unless you're the guy carrying the puck. Man, that's got to hurt.
Everybody loved it but him. Drives it to the crease. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. And he regains control of the puck. Shot. Blocked by the defender. Nice play. Carolina's got it in their own zone. The Leafs grab possession to the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Giordano. And that one's broken up. Great block there. Hangs onto the puck. Takes the feed. Cautious moving the puck through his own zone. Takes the feed. And now he angles it across to Kotkaniemi. The Leafs get a hold of the puck in their own end. Moves it quickly over to Kerfoot. And on the heels of that big hit, he's being called out.
Stahl's looking around for somebody to fight. He's going to have to go and fill the dance card somewhere else. Oh, it looked like he took a big hit there. Let's get another look at that. I think he's shaken up. Kerfoot's not going to be available here for the next little bit. He's gone down towards the locker room, accompanied by the trainer. The doctors are waiting in the room.
We'll see if we can get some sort of update, but hopefully it's not too serious. The Leafs win it. Here's a short pass to Ben. A chance! And that one's stopped.
One of the things he was working on is trying to control where the puck goes after he stops it. The corner is a pretty safe place.
Hard hit on the play.
Wow, did he ever finish him hard. And when he dropped, he also dropped his stick. Now he's got to collect himself. Looks like a yard sale out there.
There's the horn bringing period number 1 to an end. Still no score in this one. Still lots of hockey still to come, so get ready here on EA Sports. Clean sheet of ice. Period 2 is set to go. Still no goals in this one. We'll see if that changes here as period number 2 is underway. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
Can't be too surprised this game's scoreless. There's been very few shots on goal. No pace to it. It was really a sloppy, boring period.
Scrum ensues along the boards. Carolina's got a hold of it along the wall. Denies them in close. The Hurricanes get a hold of the puck. Quick feed to Teravainen. The Hurricanes looking against the half wall. Denies him. He got all of it. Passes it to Matthews. Here's a shot. That goes off a twig. Tries to feed it over to Svechnikov. And that's stolen in the offensive zone. Hammers the shot. Comes up with the stop. The Hurricanes move it ahead. To the low slot. The Leafs look to start the transition game. Things starting to get a little physical out there. And they'll cover it up, forcing a stoppage in play.
Hey, we get a look on the highlight here. That's a really nice blocker stop, but what a scoring chance. In good position, just beaten by the goalie.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. Still looking for our first goal. Toronto's got it in the offensive zone. Glove save. Anderson's on top of that one for a whistle.
A little bit of traffic starting to form around the net.
Some last-second communication before both teams get ready to drop the puck here. Carolina's got it in the defensive zone. From the right side, takes the pass. On the attack along the boards. Grabs it with the glove. And he elects to play the puck. Streaking into the attacking zone from the right. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Carolina's got a hold of the puck. Burns takes it through the middle of the ice. The Leafs gain control of the puck. Moves the puck to the attacking area. Blocked in front. The Hurricanes have a hold of it in the defensive zone. And the intensity starting to ramp up here after that hit. The Leafs have it now. Working the puck deep inside their own end. Taken along the wall by Bunting. Toronto's looking to break out. Gains the zone through center. Hammers the shot. No room for that one to get through. Carolina's got a hold of the puck now. Moves it to Slavin. Toronto's got it now. He scores!
Man, you haven't had a chance to use that tonight. Finally, somebody scores a goal and we have a lead.
Hopefully I didn't boot that one.
The goalie's probably got to stop this, but I don't think he's set, James. That turnover didn't give him much time to get set in the net.
Toronto's going to try to hang on to this lead here in the late goings of this second.
And it's not by back on your heels. It's by being aggressive, by forechecking, play defense in the other team's end.
The Leafs take possession in the defensive end. Taken by Stahl. With the puck inside the defensive zone. Great reach with the poke check. Quick pass to Engvall. Toronto's got the puck against the half wall. Off the outside of the iron.
The Leafs lead in the game, doesn't get stretched. It's a scoring chance, a good one too, James, but it hits the post and stays out.
Play blown dead, penalty coming up here. Pesci's gonna serve a pair for interference.
Sometimes you get caught in the wrong spot on the ice. He clearly interferes with the other player's progress.
Wrong place, wrong time. You're right on that one, Ray.
Matthews knows his zone ability can help him generate scoring chances, guys. And here on the power play, he could really come up big. Let's see how he responds.
Toronto's won the draw. Textbook stop by Anderson. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, you know, I won't complain.
Marner's great at finding his teammates with passes nobody expects him to make, guys. His third-eye zone ability and his high hockey IQ allows him to make plays that nobody sees coming.
Horn sounds, bringing the second period to an end. Toronto's got a 1-0 lead after 40 minutes of play. They've certainly played well defensively. Third period is just around the corner, so don't even think about putting that controller down. The officials are set, the players are set. Ray Ferraro between the benches is set. I'm James Cebulski. Let's go. The Leafs start the period off on the right note, winning the draw, and their man advantage unit gets going. Oh, how did he get a piece of that? And they get the puck out of the danger zone. The Leafs gain possession. Along the side, here they come through the neutral zone. Oh, great save by Anderson. Moves it quickly over to Matthews. And there's another stop.
Really sharp, never loses sight of the puck to make the second save.
Gets it out of his own end. Marner's carrying it ahead. Here's a shot. Great save by Anderson. Oh, they do it again.
Anderson's done it again. Another terrific save, and he's kept this game close.
Sends it quickly to Nylander.
Pesce's time is almost done.
Both teams back to even strength. Really nice effort by the penalty-killing unit on that one.
Well, if they were going to stay in the game, they had to kill that off. You cannot lose touch with the score here.
Stop that one. Picked up along the wall by Shea. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. The Leafs have it in the offensive zone. Marner's going to play it near the point. Blocked in traffic. Loose puck battle along the boards.
He's just slowly working his way to the bench, James, where the training staff's going to look at him. Had an awkward play earlier in the shift, and he doesn't look very good right now.
Stones him in front, and his goaltender's not going to like that one as he scores, putting it into his own net.
I always thought playing goal was tough. Now you got to stop your own guys, too?
More than half the period left to play. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Moves the puck. Great defensive play at center by Slavin. Here's a shot. Oh, he stops him with a glove. Great reflexes there. Some solid defensive work in their own end with the poke check. Burns works the puck in his own zone. Carolina's in transition. The Leafs gain control of the puck against the wall. Drills them. Scooped up along the wall by Kemp. Oh, he scores! Breaks the deadlock.
Really good play at the net. And now somebody's got a lead, and we'll see if they can increase it. I think he almost gave up on this. He can't find the puck, and he just stands there. This thing beats him cleanly. He never saw it.
The Leafs have been in a dogfight tonight, and they have finally scratched and clawed ahead.
I don't think the fight's over yet, and they're going to have to play aggressively and not be too conservative, as there's still some time left.
Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. And now he tries to get it across to Natchez. And he slides it quickly to Riley. From center they get into the attacking area. Handles the puck. Natchez plays it against the boards. Toronto's got the puck. And now it's grabbed by Yarncroke. The Leafs are on the attack. Offside is the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the offensive zone.
The Leafs are going to have to figure out how to roll their bench down a player. They just got news, as I did, that player will not return.
Well, that certainly changes things going forward. Thanks for the update, Ray. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Slides it back to the blue line. And he stands tall in goal. Carolina's got the puck along the wall. Receives the pass. Tara Biden's got it along the wing. Scrum along the boards, they battle for the puck. Great pressure to force the turnover by Kasha. Toronto's moving it along the wing. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. Through center along the wing. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Slides the puck over. Oh, look at this chance. Oh, how did he get a glove on that? What a stop by Anderson.
Such a simple thing, but I'm really impressed with the blocker technique here as the puck gets deflected away from the net on the save.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, it's 2-1. Less than a minute to go now here in regulation. Stops him with a glove! Anderson's going to hang on for a whistle here in the third.
Well, there's not much time left here as you get into the final 20 minutes. The game's close. A mistake now would be critical.
Officials getting ready to drop the puck to get play back underway. Toronto's got it, and they're on the attack. And that one's broken up. Here's a short pass to Pesci. Across the line from center. Carolina's emptied the net. The extra attacker's now out on the ice. Picked off. Trying to be too cute on the pass. Sends the pass over. A shot into the yawning cage. Foss got it against the boards. Glove save by the goalie. Slides the puck across to Aston Reese. A chance to... And there it is! Empty netter.
That'll seal it up. Pretty easy one right there for him to cash in. Well, now you got a couple of goal lead here with the empty netter. That should be enough to put this away.
Toronto's added to their lead with the empty netter, and Ray, that's pretty much all she wrote, I would say.
Well, you grind away to get the lead through this much of the game, and they pull the goalie, they're going to pressure you. You put it away with an easy one into the empty net.
And out comes the extra attacker with the goaltender parked on the bench.
Whoa!
And there's the insurance marker, much needed for them on this night.
It's amazing how many times a guy misses an empty net, but this one he puts between the pipes. He's like a one-man distribution center. Get open, and it's right on your tape.
And we're moments away from getting back underway here with the puck drop. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Slides it across to Tavares. It is all over. The Hurricanes crash and burn tonight. Maybe the score a little less indicative of what it really was.
Yeah, the empty net goals don't flatter them for sure, but I didn't think they played very well at all tonight, James, and probably deserved to lose.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm Shane Cebulski. We'll see you next time we drop the puck.